Alright guys, welcome to this next video steps on how to start making $0.5 every minute, $30 every day, and about $720 every week. On that will be generating for you all this income through videos and views from our viral channel, that is WhatsApp channel that I'm going to be showing you what to see. So I want you to go quickly do this next step on how to promote this channel, because we need to promote this channel to be able to achieve about 1 million channel followers within the next few days. So I want you to quickly do this. As soon as you join the channel, open your WhatsApp. I want to show you this step on how to start promoting the channel. Right now, as soon as you go to update, now there are people that have been posting their update status that you'll be seeing. You can see so many of them. Most of them, they have saved your contact and you have saved their contact also. That is why you are able to view their updates. And most of these contacts, many of us, maybe we got them from Contact Gain or through some other WhatsApp promotion. So these are people that are the best niche for our training, for this YouTube training, because these people are active online. We don't want people that don't come online. So these people that are always posting status, they are the right kind of people we need for this training. So right now, what you are going to do is you will send hi to each and every one of them. Just tap on each of them and send hi. You can see, tap on each and every one of them. You tap on reply. That once you tap on their post, you tap on reply and send hi. Just send hi and wait for them to reply. You see, you can do this, keep doing it. I've been doing it for so many of them, and they have been replying positively. They will be glad to reply you and join this channel. So what you do, you tap on the status, on the person's status, then tap on reply, and then it will bring out the option for you to type inside. You type hi. You send hi to the person. Send hi. So this is the first step. This is the first thing that I need you to do right now, because we need to promote the channel together. This is a one-team project. You type hi, send hi. As you can see, I've been sending it to this week. We just do this every day. Do this every day. You will need to do this every day, and so that we can achieve 1,000 and 10,000. This one say hi there, so they will be replying you because they are currently active online. So this one say hello. As soon as you say hi to them, they will reply you. This one says sir. So that is how they will be replying you. So the next step that you are going to do, any one of them that reply you, I'm going to post the link. I mean the post. I'm going to send the post that you are going to reply to them after they have replied you hi. So the next thing you do is you will start replying them with this post. I'm going to drop the post in the channel. So this one say hi. So you reply like this. You copy the post. I'm going to post it in the channel for you to copy. That's the next step. So you reply like this. You say hello. I am recommending. Okay, let me put this. You say hello. This is going viral right now. Hello. This or you send it to them. So any one of them that reply you, this is what you send to them. I'm going to drop the post in the WhatsApp channel, which you will copy. I'm replying to this person right now. As you can see, I'm replying this person. So people that reply you after sending hi to them, as they are replying you, you'll be sending this second post to them. So, and they will be joining the channel. If you are doing this every day, in a day, about 20 to 50 to 100 people can join. Anytime you are free, just keep doing this. Let everybody start doing this task. It is what I do, and I've been getting results, instant results. And I want you to know that as soon as we are able to achieve 1,000 channel followers, I'm going to drop another update on how to start creating videos. I'm going to create videos for you. You don't have to create video by yourself. You don't have to be in front of the camera. So once you are sending this to them, they will click on this link. They will click on the channel link, and it will send them to join the channel. So keep sending to them. As you can see, more are replying me instantly. More are replying me. You say alpha. So I'm what I do right now. I'll send this message to them. You can see this is the fastest way of growing this channel. So I want you all to jump into this step. As soon as you join the channel, start this step immediately. Keep doing it. You can be doing it every day. You can do it just for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can please keep doing it. It is the fastest way we can grow this channel. So as you can see, this person says this. All right. So I'm sending. They are replying. You can see I said hi, and this person say hello. So I keep sending this message to them. So each one of them will be joining the channel. So this is the channel that they will be joining. I want you to know that lots of people that will join this channel, they are going to be watching your YouTube videos, and they are going to subscribe under your YouTube video. You can see I'm going to show you trending channel of people, WhatsApp channels that are trending. As you can see, this person right now, this person has 592,000 followers, and they are promoting their brands. You see, they are promoting their brand. This person has, this person has about 1.8 million. As you can see, 1.8 million followers, and they are promoting their brand. And lots of people are joining their brand. Most of these people that will be joining this training, it's a free training that I'm giving you. Most of the people that will be joining this training, they are digital content creators. Some of them are YouTubers, some of them are influencers. So they need this training. As you can see, trending channels. You can see these are trending channels. You can see 1.1 million followers. So this strategy will generate lots of followers into this channel that we just started about 2 days ago. As you can see, let me show you this person's channel. This Mark Zuckerberg channel. As you can see, Mark Zuckerberg has 15.4 million followers. As of yesterday, I checked this channel. This channel was 14.5 million followers. As you can see right now, Mark Zuckerberg channel has 15.4 million followers. And I want you to know that these are automated systems. Easy system that people are using to make money online. Once you have your own done for you YouTube channel, you can promote anything in your channel description, and people are going to join your offer. They are going to join your business. So I want you to jump right now into this offer. As soon as you join, I'm going to drop the video 1. You can watch this first video or watch the second video that I'm going to drop in the channel, and then I'm also going to drop the post that you are going to send. So I'm going to see you right now. As soon as we have 1,000 followers, I'm going to start registering people for the YouTube channel, for our first YouTube channel step. That is creating channels. If you already have an existing channel and you feel you want to use it, you just need to submit to me your channel link so that you start getting subscribers. I'm going to get 1,000 subscribers for you just within few minutes. You get 1,000 subscribers. But for us to achieve this goal, we must have at least 10,000 followers. But as from 1,000 followers, as soon as we have 1,000 followers, we are going to start the registering your channel. I'm going to promote your channel link in this our WhatsApp channel. I'm going to promote your YouTube videos in this our WhatsApp channel, and you'll be getting views, viral views. And in a month, YouTube will be paying you. Currently, YouTube pays for every 1,000 views. YouTube pays $3 to $6, depending on the country that the person is viewing your video from. If the person is viewing your video from tier 1 country like America, like Canada, YouTube pays you as much as $6. But if the person is viewing your video from tier 3 or tier 2 country, they pay you as from $4 to $3 per 1,000 views. So assuming you have 10,000 views, that's just do 10,000 divided by 1,000. That's 100. That's 100 now divided by 100 times $3. If YouTube is paying you per view by 1,000 views, $3. So that is 10,000 divided by 1,000, which is 100 times $3. That is $300. That is for 10,000 views. If you have 1 million views, so what you do to calculate your income for the month, that is 1 million divided by 1,000, which is 1,000, and then times $3. That is $3,000. So that is how the income calculation is if you are earning $3 per 1,000 views. Just do the math and see how much you'll be earning. I'm going to show you how this works. And this is a lifetime income opportunity that you just set it and forget it. And you'll be earning while you sleep. You'll be earning money while you sleep. So I want you to jump right into this update. And I want to assure you that this is a digital income lifestyle. Create yourself a digital income lifestyle. And I want you to know you can only do it by creating it yourself. Start something, do something, and get something, get results. Well, thank you very much. I'll see you next time in my next video.
I will be dropping steps 3 video guide as soon as we have achieved 10,000 WhatsApp followers minimum in this channel. Okay everyone, let's get started now. Let's work together as one big team, and I will see you all at the top, guys.